Ascent Solutions, technology solutions at business speed. Ascent Solutions presents Managed Services. What is it and how can it help my business? Managed service offerings are essentially outsourced support services for your company's information technology needs. Managed services include technology assessments, 24/7 365 monitoring, patch management, emergency response, remote support, performance reporting, disaster recovery, remote backup, help desk services, desktop and network support, and telecom management. Technology assessment is the study and evaluation of technologies, generally performed by a third party. A complete audit of a business's technology infrastructure is performed, benchmarking against established best practices and aligning technology with the company's strategies. If the current infrastructure is not in line with the company's goals, a new infrastructure is then developed to be an enabler for mission critical activities. Results of a technology assessment include improvements to key IT processes, implementation of new IT metrics, service level agreements, and performance reports, development or revision of IT strategies and plans, changes to IT governance structures, enhanced and improved technology architectures, and new or revised sourcing agreements. Benefits of a technology assessment include significant cost savings, improved IT performance, improved business performance, decreased operational risks, and better control of the IT organization, processes, and infrastructure. A computer network is running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, whether you are or not. 24/7 365 monitoring services proactively monitor your networks by monitoring the critical health status of devices and line of business applications, remotely diagnosing problems before they occur, restarting essential services automatically, providing capacity planning reports for informed IT purchasing and budget decisions, minimizing network and device downtime that cause lost productivity, and providing proactive notifications of potentially dangerous conditions such as low memory, possible hard drive failure, low hard drive disk space, and unusual collision activity on network cards. In an IT setting, you might hear the term patch used quite frequently. You may ask yourself, what is a patch? A patch, sometimes called a fix, is a piece of code that is used as a quick repair for programming. Oftentimes, software products will have minor issues that can be fixed immediately with patches. So now that you know what a patch is, what's involved with patch management? Patch management includes maintaining current knowledge of available patches for administered computer systems, deciding which patches are appropriate for particular computer systems, ensuring that patches are installed properly, testing systems after installation, and documenting all associated procedures, such as specific configurations required. Although many companies make efforts to prepare for tech emergencies, oftentimes in the event of an emergency, it seems that the preparation is falling short and the business suffers devastating downtime. In times of disaster, it is imperative to have a plan in place to ensure a mortal blow is not delivered to the business. A solid emergency response plan must be in place to minimize disruption of operations and to ensure protection and preservation of critical data. Developing a comprehensive emergency response plan that includes documented critical disaster recovery steps and communicating them with employees can make all the difference between a successful recovery and loss of business operations. Oftentimes, technology issues can be resolved without a network engineer on site. This is called remote support. This can be accomplished by either having a technician show you the steps to take to resolve the issue yourself via screen sharing, or with permission taking control of the desktop and performing the task remotely. Remote support can often solve the majority of technology issues and offer significant cost savings to end users over bringing a network engineer on site. Benefits of remote support include rapid response and resolution, computers never leave the premises, increased production and effectiveness, most issues can be resolved within minutes, you gain access to senior level engineers without on-site costs, and opportunities for you to increase your IT knowledge. Your technology should work for your business, not slow you down. With technology performance reports, you can be assured that your technology is helping, not hindering your business. Through a series of performance tests that determine the speed and effectiveness of devices in your infrastructure, your service provider can make recommendations as to how to improve or streamline your infrastructure to run at the most efficient and effective capacity possible. Remote backup is the process of backing up data to an off-site location and storing it securely. Data is often backed up to off-site data centers, both local and out of state, as protection from office disasters such as flood or fire, to major disasters such as earthquakes and hurricanes. Another form of remote backup is cloud backup, a process by which data is backed up to a public or private cloud for storage. Cloud backup can often save money for the end user, as there is not as large of a technology investment as storing data physically in a data center. Benefits of remote backup include protection against major disasters, no transporting hard data storage devices such as CDs and external hard drives, no responsibility for securing the data when taking it off-site, truly a set-it-and-forget-it solution with automatic backups, as well as cost-effective cloud backup options. In a business, a help desk is a place that a user of information technology can call to get help with a problem. In many companies, a help desk is simply one person with a phone number and more or less an organized idea of how to handle problems that come in. In larger companies, a help desk may consist of a group of experts using software to track the status of problems and other software to help analyze problems. This enterprise-level help desk offering is also available to both large and small businesses via third-party or outsourced information technology providers. Help desk services include on-site and remote assistance for technical issues, enterprise system tracking for businesses of all sizes, as well as online ticketing systems. Desktop support services support all computer-related equipment in use by a business, including but not limited to initial installation and setup of desktop and laptop machines, customization for specific users or departments, upgrades, diagnostics, and correction of reported problems. Network support services include answering questions and resolving issues related to an organizational technology infrastructure and users of the network. Rather than simply calling your local telephone or data provider, you can contract a nationwide telecommunications and data broker, a completely carrier-neutral alternative. Many brokers represent a multitude of major carriers, providing local and long-distance telephone, as well as VoIP and complete data services. The extensive carrier representation of a telecom broker enables them to provide their clients with customized options, including the best service, customer care, and pricing. Telecom management features include comprehensive carrier representation, the widest array of choices to fit your particular business model, extensive VoIP expertise, optimized efficiency and cost savings, seamless transitions and migrations, hardware provisioning, and participation in carrier-implemented changes. We thank you for viewing our presentation on managed services and hope you found the material to be informative and helpful. If you have any questions regarding managed services, please feel free to contact us via phone or email. Or you can get answers in real time via our Twitter tech page located at www.twitter.com/AscentIT. Simply tweet your questions for immediate answers.